This is the heart of Yoruba history and culture. Check it out.
Ile Ife is known as the cradle of the Yoruba race. This is where the Yoruba people believe life began. This city is rich in history, traditions, and art, making it one of the most important places in Nigeria. One of Ile Ife's greatest treasures is the Oni's palace. This is the home of the Oni, the traditional ruler of. The palace is a symbol of power, heritage, and unity among the Yoruba people. Ile Ife is also famous for its bronze and terracotta sculptures, which date back hundreds of years. These artworks show the skill and creativity of the ancient Ife people and can be found in museums around the world. Ile Ife is a city that values knowledge and education, and it is home to one of Nigeria's most prestigious universities, Obafemi Awolowo University. If you love history, culture, and beautiful stories, Ife is a city you must visit.